8:24 in the morning on Friday, December 27th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. Let's see how empty these ponds are. That way is another pond. Oh, it was a Kiskadee. I'm glad to see that they're pouring water here. As long as it's not from over there. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. Doesn't have a lot of duckweed like it's had in the past. As soon as I turn left here, there's another chili pekin plant. See, that way is another pond. Right around here. Yeah, you can see the chili pekin covered with vines. And you can see that it's not really a clear. I got tangled in a spider web. I want to walk straight. Oh, this pond looks clean. Oh, this has water. They probably poured water there because it hasn't rained. See, that other pond over there has a lot of duckweed. This one that doesn't have a lot of duckweed like it had previously. I don't know if it's duckweed or algae. Doesn't look like algae to me. Oh, there was a rabbit. Cottontail. See, this pond also has duckweed. Because now we have to wait for the spring for rain. This part of the lily pond is dry, sad, dried up. And the parking lot is up ahead. There's a few javelina there. There's at least 3 of them. Oh, there's a few more this way. See, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them here. Right, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll show you the nature park sign.